guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have another Trendsend box for you. So let me just show you outfit number one. They're skinny sweats, but the booty's kind of big, but you know, whatever, they're sweats and they are really comfy, they're soft. And do you remember last month they sent me like a $120 pair of sweats, and while they were super cute, they were not comfortable, and that is a ridiculous price for sweatpants. So anyway, these ones are from Free People and these are $48. So, you know, the price is much better. They are super cute. I like the way they fit. They have pockets. The only thing is that my mom actually just gave me a pair of black sweats very similar to these, and so I don't need these, but I do really like them. I like the wide cuff at the bottom. They're really comfortable and I think cute. The tank top is actually on sale down from $58 to $19.99, and it's just a cute, very lightweight, stripy tank top that says everybody loves the sunshine, and it has kind of that racer back on it, which I actually really like. It kind of shows off my shark tattoo, and I just think it's a flattering cut on my arms because I feel like I have nice shoulders and arms. Like, that's a good area for me. It does look a little bit frumpy with the sweatpants, but I think I should have probably tried it on with like some regular jeans so that you guys could see it, because I do think it's a cute top. And then the sweatshirt I actually kind of love. Now, I'm not super crazy about camo in general, but I love the little cutout shoulder and then the asymmetrical off shoulder on the other side. At first I was like, is this sleeve shorter than the other one? And then I'm like, oh right, asymmetrical. Okay, it took me a second, but I do think it's super cute. I think it's a fun, cute, wonky top, which is totally my style. A little wonky. This one is $79. It's by Sanctuary. They've sent me a lot of stuff from Sanctuary and I usually really like it. The second outfit, the shorts, I am absolutely in love with. I just got back from Hawaii and I wish that I had gotten this box before I left because I would have taken these with me. I just think they're so cute. And it's so funny because normally I'm not into floral patterns. Maybe it's just because I got back from Hawaii, but I'm totally digging these. Well, it's a little distressed, but I think it's cute. They're really stretchy, which is nice, so they're super comfortable. The length is short, but I like shorty shorts. I just think they're so much more comfortable, and if you get too long on my thighs, it looks like really unflattering really quickly. Like, I don't like them too short, but I don't like them long either. So I love these. The shorts are on sale down from $159 to $79.99. I probably would have never picked these out for myself, but I was like, oh my gosh, I love these shorts. They're so cute, they're comfortable, they're flattering. I love them, love them, love them. Okay, so the bralette. I feel a little naked showing you guys my bralette with no shirt on, but you know, it covers all the right parts. This is really, really cute. The straps are adjustable. I love the little crisscross back thing, you know, and this part is really stretchy and comfortable. It's just all around really comfortable. There's not much support here, and generally speaking, I like a lot of support. So that is my only issue with that, but I do think it's really cute. And this is the kind of thing that would be perfect for layering under all of these clothes I like that have holes in them. I don't know, I like clothes with holes in them. You know, so having a little lacy undergarment bit might be fun. The bralette is $38. So I don't know, I will think on this, but I do think it's cute, and I feel like it would be one of those pieces that would be good to have, you know? So I don't know, I'll think about that. Okay, so the sweatshirt, I love the color. I love this kind of blush, peachy pink kind of a color. It looks, you know, washed, worn, I don't know. This is $68 from Love Stitch. So the shape of it is kind of funny. Like, it's very wide, and like if I lift my arms, it's got that like bat wing thing going on, which honestly I don't mind. I was a little worried that if I lift my arms, it's gonna be like, oh hi, here's all of your tummy, but it didn't really do that. I think because it has enough fabric in the front that it just kind of hangs down. And again, with my holy clothes, I love the crisscross open back. I think it's really cute and just, you know, just a fun, neat sweater. It's the kind of sweater that you would wear in the summer with those shorts. It actually goes really well with those shorts. You know, like you just throw it on over your other clothes or wear it to the beach. You know, it just kind of has that old sweatshirt comfort level. I don't know, I actually really like it. And then the third outfit, so that's actually what I'm wearing right now. This tank top is unbelievably soft. It's a nice thin flowy material that I actually really love. I love this olive green color. There's so many things about it that I love. It has kind of this free, loose figure to it too. You know, it's very flowy, but it's not frumpy looking, I don't think. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Do you think it looks frumpy? Now, normally with this style of a tank that comes up high, I sometimes have issues with it, but I feel like this one isn't constricting at all, you know? It's not tight, it has a loose thing up here. My bra is kind of poking out of the sides though, which I don't know what, I'll just have to play with it and figure out which bra looks best. Maybe that little bralette, probably not. And it's on sale for like $7. So the price is right. This cardigan, oh, you guys, it's just unbelievably soft. It's, you know, it's a sweater material. It's not a sweatshirt, but it's just really soft. I love the heather gray, and I really like the detail in the back. Oh, I wish it had pockets. That's my only issue. But without the pockets, it does make it a little more streamlined and less chunky. Let's see, how much is this? This is $78. And I don't know, I really love it. Plus I think it looks really cute with this tank. This is the kind of thing that you could wear with shorts during the summer or with jeans or whatever. Very versatile, and it's just really cozy. Like, I don't wanna take it off. you know it's a good item if you don't wanna take it off. So anyway, I'll have to think on a lot of these things and kind of decide which ones I'm going to keep, because I feel like I love everything in this box, you know what I mean? Which is great and fantastic, because my last box I was like, not really. This box I love. So again, I wish that I had gotten it like just 2 weeks ago before I left on my vacation, because I would have just taken all of this with me, but that's okay. Summer is coming up and I'm sure that I will wear all of this stuff. Okay, so definitely let me know what you guys thought in the description box. I've been loving my Trendsend, plus it's free, which is amazing. There's no styling fee, and they send me good stuff, and they've been really taking my feedback really well. Like, oh, okay, you have enough jeans, I'm not going to send you jeans, which I feel like so many times with other ones, I'm like, I don't want any jeans, and of course they send me jeans. I'm like, why aren't you listening to me? I don't like chunky heels. They send me chunky heels. You know, it's like, come on, just listen to me. So I feel like Trendsend is taking my feedback. They sent me affordable stuff this time. There were, you know, nothing was over $63.99 was the most expensive thing in here. And the prices that I have on here are actually do include a 20% referral discount. That means that you guys used my referral link, so thank you for using that. And make sure that you share your referral link with your friends so that your next box you can get 20% off. And I think with your first box, you get a 15% off discount code. I could be wrong about that, but I feel like that was my first box. So anyway, I'm loving Trendsend. I feel like they send me a lot of really cute stuff. I'm gonna stop blabbing now, but definitely let me know what you guys thought of everything. I'm still kind of deciding what I will and won't keep, but I will let you know. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!